So here is the electric scooter solution, sharing electric scooter program. There's an app. So first you just switch on the power. No one can ride it, so you must scan with the app to turn on the scooter. And now it works. You can see the unlock succeed, and you can track this example, the app example. On the user side, the people they can on the user side they can track the speed and current speed and the total speed and total range. And they can also the gears means the speed gears, and you can stop it, and you can turn on the lights, the front lights of a scooter. Yes. And turn off the lights. Also you can see the battery life, and this is the map. You can track where is your scooter right now. Scooter is here. Here is a scooter. Okay. Just check again. Okay, so here's the setting, the value, the analysis for your scooters. When you get any problems, it's gonna show you which is the problem: brake, the speed, the governor, or the motor, or anything else. And let's get it back. And there's a language setting, and there's a user menu, and user agreements, and contact us. About the app. The about app, you can also update the software. Yeah, I think everything is fine. So you just need, there's a 2G, there's a module inside the electric scooter. You just need to add a 2G SIM card, and you can track the scooters, and that is gonna works fine. Okay, thank you for watching. So make sure if you want to start a share electric scooter business, this is gonna be very good.